Hello friends, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Unomax Stylus Retractable ball pen. And this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on the pen, because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. So here, these pens comes with a very decent and strong box like this, and the brand's name Unomax, and the stylus, the specification of this pen stylus is given here. A liquid ballpoint pen, and in the back side of this box the exact pen model and color was given. And let me take this out. A very safe box which has a very good strong tray. And let me take this out. And here this is a red color body which has a silver color designs, which is a silver color clip, and the top and bottom buttons, and a stylus on the top in which you can use this in the touch phones, any smartphones. This is not for writing and all. In touch phones this is not for writing. This is just to tap on the apps and just to move like your fingers. Then the brand's name was mentioned in the clip portion, Unomax, and this is looking so stunning in this silver and a metal finished one, looking so good. And as it is a metal pen, you can engrave your names or logos in this pen. This is very minimum price one, so we are doing bulk orders in this pens. A smooth, very smooth retractable one. Now the writing. Very awesome writing, a neat finish is there, a very fine tipped, a very decent color of the ink. And yeah, let me see the refill. For that I'm threading here. This is Unomax UM5000, a jet ink technology, a refill. This is an easily available one. And here this is a spring. This is the most important thing in the all retractable pens. You can check the spare for this nib in our site, penhouse.in. Very awesome finish. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.